Hey everyone and welcome. This is Dr. Christiane Anise, and today I'm going to go over the 24-hour Trade and Invest GPT. That's right, there is a GPT for that, for trading and investing. Now, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. This is just education, information, tools, and strategies, okay? This is not guaranteeing that you're going to win, that you're going to profit. This is not going to guarantee that you're going to become the next multi-millionaire or billionaire. What this is going to guarantee is that you're going to become very knowledgeable. It's going to teach you step by step in ways that is easy for you to attain the knowledge, understand the knowledge, and most of all, take action. So if you're ready to take actionable steps, you're tired of following all the different gurus, you just want to focus on one place, one area, and devote your energy and attention to that area, this GPT is for you, okay? It's for all of that. It has the options trading course, since that is the number one question that people always ask about, is how to get into options. It helps you with setting up your options trading account. It is good with the stock market. It will help you with technical analysis. It will help you with understanding the verbiage, understanding the language, all of that stuff that a lot of the older traders, had to read in books and had to just learn, by being on the golf course and all of that. Technology now has the power to teach you all of this stuff in minutes, okay? There's times where I wake up in the middle of the night and have questions, literally, and I just want to ask, and there's no one there. So I come to my GPT, So it says, welcome to the Trading Made Simple course. This is a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide to options trading using SPY, because I engineered it to use SPY because that's something that everyone can focus on. I didn't want to focus on an individual stock, okay? So this is one that, everyone could focus on. I do use Robinhood as the platform because that's what helped me understand this whole options thing, okay? Now, I have also programmed this to, be polite, so it's going to ask your name. So what is your name? I make this a personalized learning experience for you, okay? So I'm just going to say Chris, all right, and let it do its thing. All right, so awesome, Chris. Let's get you started with options trading made simple the right way. So it's going to give you the course outline. It's going to break it all the way down for you. I'm not going to go through all the models, because in that way you'll see exactly what, everything. But as you can see, it just breaks down the models. We're going to break down step by step, easy to follow, because that's something that I saw a lot of people, having problems with, is really understanding options, okay? So I wanted to make this as easy as possible for you all to learn this, all right? So you don't have to keep going from this, subscription to that subscription to this guru to that guru. There are so many people out here that know how to do options now, and that's the beauty. But at the end of the day, it can get exhausting, right? So this right here, I've already poured in so much information, and the information that I didn't have, guess what? The GPT filled it in, right? So we're dealing with technology here, guys. So I need you to step into the future, because the future is here and it is now. No more ebooks, no more having to read, all of those books and all of the stuff. It's already packed and jammed into here. It's just all in the engineering and the prompting. We're going to teach you all of that, and most of it's 95% of it's already in here. So it's going to take you through the whole course with the different modules. What are options, why trade options, just everything, okay? So that's just one part of it. You can go back, you can ask, how do I set up my options trading account? It's going to go over, all of that for you. It's going to give you other platforms to use as well. A lot of people ask me, well, what prompts do you use? Because I can just use regular ChatGPT. I don't need to use this. Well, the difference between a regular ChatGPT and this GPT is that, again, it's been engineered. If you don't have prompts and you don't know what to prompt and what to ask the regular GPT, ChatGPT, you're not going to get the answers you need for you to succeed. You understand that? So right here, I'm giving you the game right here, because you can slow this down and, read everything that's on it. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to show you the value and the benefit of using 24-hour trade and invest GPT. And these prompts will change maybe every other week because I like to keep all of our custom GPTs updated and up to date for, the different news and, the different administrations that's in office or whatever the case may be. We want to make sure that you guys stay on top of everything. So that's another difference from the regular chat GPT. We actually, update this, keep you up to date, change out the prompt so you don't have to think about what to ask. Another great tool is it will do tech analysis for you when it comes to your charting, because I know a lot of you newbies don't understand charting, and that's something that was hard for me. So check this out. All right, so all you have to do is just basically put your chart there and allow the GPT to analyze it for you. Okay, so if you're still new to understanding charts and you really don't understand all those lines and everything, trust me, I'm with you on that, because my brain could not handle all of that. It was too confusing. All right, so I've had the GPT break it down in a way for you to just basically show it what you have, and then it will break it down to give you a quick analysis. So it'll give you the price action, it'll give you the volume, the RSI indicators, potential trading ideas. All right, bullish case, if the price breaks and holds above 576.50, it could lead to more upside momentum. Bearish case, if the price rejects this level and moves below 574, it may indicate a pullback or downtrend. Then it's going to keep going. It's going to say, would you like me to mark key levels and provide a trading plan based on this setup? You can say yes, you can say no, you can ask it another question, or you can just leave it alone. Totally and completely up to you. And when it comes to learning things, I like to be in control a lot of times. So I like that this GPT is not just static. Like, it's going to grow with you. All right, it's going to understand how you learn. It's going to help you create strategies based off of your favorite trades or investments and things like that. It is developed and designed to help you with your financial literacy, your education, your knowledge. It is a tool. It is not something that is going to guarantee you, wins and all of that. It is a tool. It's something that you can use 24/7, and it never stops. It never sleeps. And we constantly keep it updated, guys. All right. So right here, it gives you scenarios. So if you're bullish, if you're going to go with calls, then, it gives you the whole breakdown and breakout for that. If you're feeling bearish and you're going to go with puts, then it's going to give you your breakout with that, your stop losses and all of that. It gives you some bonus tips, with volume spikes and all of that type of stuff, the RSI. So if you've always had these questions, and you may be in a group and it may be giving you really great information, but just think about when you have those questions and you can't get to them to get the answers when you need it in a timely manner. Now you have a GPT for that. All right, like, get with technology. If you're afraid of technology, now is the time to get over it, because it really can be a great tool for you to have. Just imagine having access to this 24 hours, 7 days a week. It doesn't matter. It doesn't sleep. Okay, it will help you with understanding not just trading, but stock investments. Okay, because it's not all about trading. It's also about learning how to invest for the long run, learning how to build generational wealth. And that is my mission. I help people build generational wealth. That is my job. Okay, I help people become successful. I help people become wealthy, all of that. And not just financially, mentally, emotionally, all of that stuff. All right, so let's win together. So as you can see, it gives you a whole list of information of the trending stocks, as well as the links and, information directly to other stuff that has to do with the stock market that you may be interested in. Okay, so again, we keep this stuff updated so that you can have access to it. If you don't know what to ask, you don't have to worry about it, because the prompts are going to come with the GPT. So I hope that this has helped you. I hope that this has opened your eyes to the infinite possibilities really that ChatGPT is providing us. as a tool. Again, this is not financial, advice or anything like that. You still need a financial advisor, especially because you're on your path towards building wealth, and you need to understand risk management. You need to be just as highly educated, and this is what this GPT can do for you, because it did it for me. Until next time, this is Dr. Christian Anise. Talk to you later. Bye.